In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your subscriptions in Gmail effectively. With the sheer volume of emails we all receive daily, it can be quite a task keeping up with everything that lands in our inbox. Fortunately, Gmail offers a simple way to manage and declutter your messages by helping you control your subscriptions. This quick and easy method will not only help you stay organized, but also ensure that your inbox is no longer overwhelmed with irrelevant messages. Let's start by opening Gmail. If you're on your computer, you'll want to head straight to the Gmail homepage and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see various options listed here, which are your gateways to different Gmail functionalities. Now, scroll down this sidebar until you find the option that says More. This is an important step, as it will expand the list, revealing additional features that aren't immediately visible. After expanding the list, you'll notice a section labeled Manage Subscriptions. Go ahead and click on that. This section is essentially your control panel for all the newsletters, updates, and various marketing emails you've ever signed up for throughout the years. Upon clicking, you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of every subscription linked to your email address. Now, you might find yourself scanning through this list, recognizing some familiar names, and perhaps not recognizing others at all. This is quite common. We often unknowingly sign up for more lists than we realize. The good news here is that Gmail allows you to easily opt out of any subscription that no longer serves you. Look for an unsubscribe option situated on the right-hand side beside each subscription. As you review your list, you'll want to carefully consider which subscriptions are truly beneficial to you and which have outlived their usefulness. It's as simple as clicking that unsubscribe button for those you decide are no longer relevant. And just like that, your subscription list will shrink, and you'll begin to notice a more tidy and manageable inbox. The cleanup process helps reduce clutter and potential stress from overwhelming amounts of emails. This simplicity allows you to regain control over your communication and ensures that you're only receiving emails that genuinely matter to you. So, there you have it. A straightforward, efficient way to keep your Gmail inbox neat and organized. By regularly managing your subscriptions, you can significantly improve your email experience and focus on what truly matters. Thanks for tuning in, and happy emailing.